The favorite fried rice of mine. Uy, lamia sa yung bento box. What's that? Kimchi?
Kimchi.
Isa na lang isa. Shrimp. Salad. And karagi, right? Looks good. And the free iced tea. In fairness, lami ilang iced tea. Lami ilang iced tea in fairness. So, mga anata. Mga anata guys. Lami among lunch. From Botijo. Botijo. Dami. How's it? How's it? Siyempre, kasi bento box yan, hindi naman kailangan lahat malalaking portion. Kasi it's a lunch special nga nila, so it's a budget meal. O, diba? Except mine, daghang kaayag laman na shrimp. Kami kayo guys. Botijo is one of my favorite restaurant in town. Kaya lami ilang food. And then, for price-wise, okay naman, affordable lang. Hindi masyado mabigat sa bulsa. Tama lang talaga. So, let's eat guys. Yummy, oh.
Sure.
Dad, masarap po kasi naubos. Dad, masarap kasi naubos. Naubos eh.